Get started, you are going to go to art and then classwork, and then you'll see final portfolio turned in. So you'll click on that, and then you will see that you have one assigned to you by your name. So then you'll click on that one and it'll pull it up. I have an example one going over here. The first thing that we need to do is rename the slide. And to do that, you're going to put your name up in the corner where it says that. Then we're going to start on our title slide. Make sure that you put your class name in here, Art Explorations, Art 2D, whichever one, and then by, make sure you put your name, okay? The next thing that we're gonna look at is you kind of have to click away from the slide to get this theme button to pop up. So you're gonna click that. And you can pick whatever theme tickles your fancy, whichever one you like the best. Let's say you really like this one, but you're not crazy about the color. You can click background and you can change the color. You can choose an image. Okay, and then you can add to theme if you want all of them to have that pretty green. I think I want more of like a mint green though. Let's try that one. Done. Okay, so once I have that completed, and again, you can pick any of these that you would like, you're gonna start moving on to the other aspects. You could also try to import a theme. To do that, you can go to Slides Carnival, and you can click use as Google Slides theme. This will create a totally separate presentation that'll look something like this. If you choose this route, then you're gonna have to attach the presentation into here, which will be a little bit more difficult, so it's not recommended for beginners. For beginners, just use this. So now that we know how to get our title slide done, I wanna go over a couple of important things to make sure that we're doing on portfolio slides, some common mistakes that I've seen. So remember, for each slide, you want to include title of the project, your name, the medium, the photo, and then your artist statement or objective. So here's the first example. So when we're looking at this example, there's a couple things that are a little bit unsavory about it. So first of all, the picture is too small. It's not cropped, so we can't really see what's being described in the artist statement. The text is too large. It takes up more space than the image, and there's no media listed. And make sure that you proofread your artist statements. So then we see this one. What issues do we see here? The text should never go over the top of the artwork. Make sure that there is enough contrast to read the text. So that looks a little bit better. Look at how much better a cropped image looks. There's no distracting colors, no background shapes or images, and make sure that the image looks nice and large. The viewer should only focus on your work. So this is the original photo and this is the cropped photo. Okay, don't stretch or distort the image when cropping or changing the size. When enlarging or shrinking an image, drag only the corners so that we can avoid Guy Fieri looking crazy. Okay, so those are kind of my pro tips there. You guys are going to do great. You got this. Let me know if you have questions.